regards to internet piracy, as you know, the Judiciary Committee recently held hearings on SOPA, Stop Online Piracy Act. I have many concerns with this bill, including a overly broad definition of infringement. As you know, there is a lot of content on the internet. In fact, as an example, on YouTube alone, there's 100 hours of video that's uploaded every minute. Many of the videos that have been uploaded contain some type of rights infringement with no intent for commercial gain. I ask, with substantial new powers that would be granted to the Attorney General's office under SOPA, what type of resources would the Department of Justice need to handle the hundreds of millions of prosecutions that would be necessary and indicated under SOPA?
Well, I mean, I think that you have to look at what what powers we would be granted and then how we would use our resources. Not every matter, though it might be a technical violation of a statute, is something that we are going to use our resources going against. I mean, if there's a YouTube upload of something that is not intended for commercial use and we don't think there's any great harm, that's not the kind of thing that we're going to be going after.
So it's fair to say, given otherwise the absence of tens or hundreds of billions of dollars of resources to go after everybody, there would be selective enforcement of the Stop Online Piracy Act from the Attorney General's office?
Well, selective enforcement always, you know, a prosecutor get a little nervous saying that phrase, but there would be an appropriate use of our resources, taking into account what the harm is, and always with the thought that what we're trying to do is to protect the abuse of copyrighted material.
I thank the gentleman and just note that with regard to the selective enforcement, there is not currently criteria in the bill, so that would be at the discretion of your office to decide what type of selective enforcement of that law and the new powers that would be given to the Attorney General under that would entail, and I'll yield back the balance of my time.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Polis. The gentleman